Hello, today we will start unit conversions. This is the new topic after compound growth and decay. So, unit conversion, there are actually two types of, or you can say two types of unit conversion. The first one is common metric conversion, the second one is common imperial conversions. So, first of all, you should know these conversions. You should know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Similarly, 1 meters is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, and 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. By the way, kilo mean 1000. Okay, so kilo means 1000. So therefore, 1 kilometer is 1000 meters, and 1 kilo, there is a k for kilo is 1000. So it means 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So you should know these conversion, common metric conversion, and then you will be able to solve questions on based on these conversion. The second one is 1 ton is equal to 1000 kilogram. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, and 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, and 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter. So these are some conversion, you should know these. These are called common metric conversions. Now let's talk about common imperial conversions. So these are 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, 1 gallon 1 gallon is 8 pints, 1 stone is 14 pounds, and 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. 1 foot is equal to 612 inches. So by the way, the important one are, let me highlight the important one. This one is important, you should know this. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, important. This one is important, that one is important, this one is important, this one, these four, and that one 5. This one is important, this one. By the way, common metric conversion all are important, but on other hand, in common imperial conversion, if you know these two, it can work. Common metric imperial conversions, that is 1 kilogram is almost equal to 2.2 pounds. By the way, that sign which you can see over here, that actually means that it is almost equal. This is not exactly equal, but it's almost equal to 2.2 pounds. 1 foot is 30 centimeters, 1 gallon is 4.5 liters, and 1 mile is 1.6. This one is also important, this one, and that one, and that one. So you have like 4 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So these 14 unit conversions, if you know these, uh, you will be able to solve different questions on that. Now let's solve questions like how the questions could be, and that is to convert 10 pounds into kilogram. 10 pounds, convert 10 pounds into kilogram. So this is the question. By the way, you know that 1 pound is equal to, sorry, 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pound. You know this conversion, right? This is the unit, the basic conversion unit. 1 kilogram is equal to, or almost equal to, 2.2 pounds. You know that what 1 kilogram, but what about 10 pounds? How 10 pounds will be equal to in how many kilograms? So for that, first of all, you want to find out pounds, right? You want to find out 10 pounds. What you want to find out, you see the formula. This is a type of formula, the conversion which you will use in order to find out 10 pounds in terms of kilogram. So we need to remove this 2.2 from here. I will make one here. I want to make one here. When I make one here, after that I will multiply 10 here, so it will become 10 pounds. And then on the other side, you can see like how many kilograms that is. So the first method is you divide 2.2 both side. 2.2 there, 2.2 there. So this 2.2 and 2.2 will cancel out. So this will become 1 divided by 2.2 kilogram. Keep kilogram on its own place, almost equal to 1 pound. So now you can see we have 1 pound here. Now you can multiply that 10 pounds both side. You multiply 10 here on this side and 10 on that side. So when I multiply here, so it will become 10 divided by 2.2 kilogram, almost equal to 10 pounds. So you can see it says 10 pounds. So 10 pounds is equal to this much kilogram. So it means 10 divided by 2.2. When you solve it, you will get 10 pounds in terms of kilograms. So let's calculate this. 10 divided by 2.2. So you got 4.54. So 4.54 kilogram is equal to 10 pounds. So now you can see that 10 pounds is equal to 4.54 kilograms. So this is how you solve it, right? So actually, let me explain you again. Let's see the answer here as well. You can see 4.5 and we got 4.5 there as well. So it says convert 10 pounds into kilogram. So pound is given to you, given to you, right? You want to find out into 10 pounds in kilograms. So what you will do, you will first of all take out that conversion equation which you have studied here. These are conversions equations, right? That 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. You will take that first, write it here. What is given to you, make one there. It is 2.2 written there. You need to make one here. First of all, this is the first thing. You need to make one here, and in order to make one here, you need to divide both side by 2.2. So you can see 2.2, divide that, so it has been cancelled out there, and obviously you need to divide both sides, so 2.2 is there as well. Then right in the same way, 1 by 2.2 kilogram, keep kilogram as on its own place. Okay, don't remove that. Keep pounds on its own place. It is 1 pound now, 1 pound. So now we will multiply 10 both sides. So multiply 10 both sides. So I have multiplied it here, 10 I have multiplied, 10 I multiplied there. This is pounds. And then you solve it. 10 divided by 2.2, you got 4.54 kilogram, which is equal to 10 pounds. This is the answer. That is the answer. Now let's work on question example 2. It says a rabbit's top speed is 56 kilometer per hour. How fast is this in meters per second? So now, by the way, you haven't studied. By the way, there are two units actually in velocity. One is kilometer, the other one is hours. You need to convert kilometers into meters, and you need to convert hours into second. So there are two conversions here, right? There are two conversions. So let's write this one is simple. 56 kilometer per hour. So write 56 as it is. And in terms of kilometer, you see there that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, right? This one. I'm talking about this one. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So I will replace that kilometer by 1000 meters. I have just replaced that kilometer by 1000 meters and then divide 1 hour. How many seconds do we have? Because we need to convert from hours into seconds. 3600. Let me calculate that first. So 1 hour has 60 minutes and 60 seconds. 3600 seconds. So 1 hour, in 1 hour we have 3600 seconds. So I will replace hour by 3600 seconds. So now what, how you need to solve it? 56 times 1000 divided by 3600, and it will be in meters per second, because either way this is 3600. Oh yeah, there is zero. So now let's solve it. Let's put value there. 56 times 56 times 1000 divided by 3600. So you will get 15.5 meters or 15.6 meters. 15.5 meters per second. So that is the answer. This is how you solve this question. You can see the answer over there as well. So this question probably be solved in a difficult way. This is the easy way. Right, there is kilometer, you want to convert that into meters, just replace that kilometer by 1000 meters, and you just replace that hours by 3600 seconds. Right, there are 3600 seconds in 1 hour, so just replace that hour by 3600 seconds. Right, and then obviously that 3600 is in denominator, so keep that in denominator, multiply these two, divide by 3600, you will get the answer. Right, very simple. You just need to convert these type of questions. Now let's work on volume and converting area and volume. 1 meter square, you want to convert this into centimeter square. Now you know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, but there is meter square, this is area, and you want to convert meter square into centimeter square, so you need to multiply 100 two times, because there is square. This is area, you need to multiply 100 two times, so it will become 100 centimeter times 100 centimeter, which is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. 10,000 centimeter square, that is the answer. You have converted 1 meter, so it means 1 meter is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. You can see here 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. Now 1 centimeter, I'm solving now this question. 1 centimeter square, you want to convert this into millimeter. You know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, right? If you want to convert it into millimeter, so you need to multiply 10 millimeter twice, because this is area two times, right? There is square, so 10 times 10 is 100 millimeter square. You see, 100 millimeter square. Now let's talk about volume. 1 millimeter, 1 meter cube. So now you need to multiply, and you want to convert that into centimeter cube, right? You want to convert millimeter cube into centimeter cube, so here you need to multiply 100 three times. Okay, so 100 centimeter times 100 centimeter times 100 centimeter, so it is like that value 1000. This is 1 million, 1 million centimeter cube. That's a big value, right? So this is how you convert volume and centimeter to one another. 1 centimeter cube, if you want to convert that into millimeter, you need to multiply 10 three times, because that is cube, there is cube, there is cube, multiply three times. There is square, multiply two times, square, multiply two times. This is how it works. This is 9 meters square. You want to convert in meter square, you need to multiply 100 twice, but since there is 9 as well, you need to multiply 9. If it is 1 meter square, you just need to multiply 100 twice. But since there is 9, you need to multiply 9 as well. Okay. What about if you want to convert millimeter into centimeter? Here you need to divide. If you want to convert from centimeter into millimeter, multiply 10 three times. But if you want to if you want to convert millimeter into centimeter, then you need to divide. You need to divide 10 three times by that number which is given. So that will be the answer. Try this question as your homework and send it to me. So this is unit conversion. From the next lesson, we'll start speed, density, and pressure. All right. Till now, let's end it here. Bye.